Fire.
Is that going to? All right, guys. It is what time is it? It is 2:49 in the morning. We went to 7-Eleven to get a pizza because it says it's got the 2 for $5. You get 2 slices pizza, Coke for freaking
the pizza
new bigger slices. Anyway, they wouldn't cook the so. So last time we did this, we had to take the pizza to a different freaking 7-Eleven. The woman reported it. What, babe? You're gonna have to poop. You're gonna have to poop the hood. So we're gonna put this on under the hood and see if it's all good. All right. All right.
I was gonna like pop it.
No, it's okay. We're just gonna put the look. That
secure.
Fucking that is secure. It's secure. All right.
Okay.
All right. Listen, this shit better work, dude. I'm fucking calling corporate and telling them that the oven no longer fucking works in the fucking car. They've been to do it. Look, it's been 1 minute. It's been 1 minute. Oh my
If my car starts fucking up, the fucking pizza. What happened to your car? I'm trying to cook a pizza.
Trying to cook a pizza under the
Which
hood.
way do I go, Robbie? Buckle up.
To what, get home?
No.
To get Montegos?
Yeah.
The left.
Okay.
You have to go left. Be careful, there's a pizza under the hood.
Oh shit, I forgot.
Already? That was the whole purpose of getting out. What the f***?
Whoops.
Whoopsies.
We're gonna have fucked up pizza.
Whoopsies. The motherfucker's gonna be on fire by the time we get back. We gotta check on it when we get up there.
We do.
Get in the right lane.
Is it cooking?
It better be cooking.
When you smell
Because
it,
I want
it's
a cookie. Damn, babe. Listen, you gotta drive a little bit more.
I
Careful.
don't know how, Robbie.
You want to drive a little bit more careful. You're gonna hit the curb.
Nuh-uh,
Bang.
Robbie.
Oh, we almost flipped over. I'm from the UK. I'm pissed off. These Americans are crazy. I don't know how to live. I don't know how to live with myself in America. You're crazy.
We don't put drugs in our car. We put pizza in our car.
Yeah. Get in the left lane. Right now, you drug replacement with pizza.
Up, Robbie.
Listen here.
Seatbelt,
Listen
motherfucker.
here. 69. 69. All right, and for the passengers of this shit, straight.
Oh, yeah.
69. 69. We're going to Wawa.
I forgot. So I thought we were going to the other 7-Eleven.
Why would we go to the other 7-Eleven
Can
if
you
they
cook
do
the
not?
pizza that I'm trying to cook in my fucking
We have a pizza under the hood. Can you cook it for us? Fuck yeah, dude.
Man, can you imagine if this really fucking works?
It's going to warm it up for sure.
But what will it taste like? Will it taste like car
It's going
engine?
to taste like a engine. It's going to taste like a motor. Motors are electric. For people that don't know that. Big difference. If you don't know the difference, you're...
When you eat pizza that you cook in your car, it turns you into a mechanic.
Turns you... Hey, to be a mechanic, you got to become a... To fix an engine, you got to become an engine. Or eat the... Engine strong. We're going to into some Transformers after this shit. Autobites. Autobites. Oopsies. Autobites. Unite. Roll out. Eat up. Autobites. I can do that voice. Hold on. Decepticons. No, I can't do it.
Chichester. What the fuck is that road called?
Suck my Autobots. I don't know, babe. I didn't read it. Go straight because you're going to be sitting at a red light.
I don't know how to get over there, Robbie. I was like, where?
Follow the arrows. Oh shit! We flipped. Do a back. Do a flip.
Right there.
Do a flip. Oh my
I'm gonna pull this over here so no one sees our pizza in the hood.
We gotta check it. We gotta check it. What if you ran it over back there?
Oh my god!
Oh my! I'm getting a refund. Don't try to pull it right Say it again. Say it again for all the women out there that are too damn scared to admit the truth.
I'm a passenger princess.
But she's got me sitting over here in this fucking bullshit seat. I don't like it. Alright, we got the hood popped.
Do you smell it? I smell it.
Do you smell it?
No, I don't know if that's it or not.
It's still there. It's definitely not gonna be cooked yet. It's still cold. It's still cold. Listen, we don't give a f***. We're white, bro. We're white. We don't care. Bang. Let's go. We don't give a f***. We don't give a f***. What? Be fair. Alright, we got back in the car. We got some LD. You know what LD stand for? Lady Dandelion. Action! That way. Bing, bang, 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 boom. You hit the curb. Oh my gosh! You got the arrow. You got the arrow. Yeah. Hey, better ingredients, better pizza. Fuck John. Hey, bro. No smoking and driving. It's illegal down here, bud. It's illegal. I'm trying to help cook the pizza. I'm a mother Christian. Y'all right. Christian. No. Nah.
What song is that?
We follow Yahuwah. I got 12 miles to the back. So all the fucking lean, all the fucking, listen, all the fucking lean drinking face tats got me nuts.
Her friends, Cooper Street to my hood. We gon' keep it in the fam, nigga.
Green light, red light, green light, green light, green light. Better pull up rock a nigga shit like he's Rocky, man. Alright, hang on. So I heard that if you sit at a red light long enough, that it actually turns green.
We're about to find out.
And this is an experiment, and we're going to try it. I don't believe it.
Oh my god!
Shit! It fucking what? 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 It fucking worked! Yo! What? Woo! Somebody call it bibs! I don't believe it. There's another green one.
Oh my god!
Did somebody?
It turns them all green.
No, that one was already green. I don't believe it was red. Do you believe it was red
no.
before? I don't believe it. That one though, that was magical,
That
man.
was fucking
I ain't
insane.
never seen that shit before ever in my life.
My eyes couldn't believe it.
My heart dropped. Mostly because, you know.
We've got to call NASA.
Hey, you didn't go to the moon, you lying son. I know. Ew, I smell your fart now. You fucking nuts. Get over there now. Roll this fucking. I started. No! I started smelling shit. No! Help! I gotta hold the lock button. Get over to the red light.
I gotta get over.
It's black. No!
Smell my shit.
I'm getting out. Dude, I started smelling shit. I was like, what the fuck is that? Is that NASA? That's NASA's
That's my ass, boy.
I thought it was NASA's. You mentioned NASA and you smell shit because they're full of shit. You're gonna miss the turn, dude.
Oh my god.
You trying to Dutch oven me in a moving vehicle with green lights everywhere? Those lights turning green too. I didn't even realize it. I was so
Oh wait, next one.
yeah, I was so tripped out over the bullshit. I didn't realize the light turned green.
We're about to find out if this pizza good.
Oh yeah, find out in the next video. All right, Beeb, pop the hood.
I did.
You got the. Don't make me go pop the hood. This is reverse of Yellow Wolf. Yeah. Oh. Listen, if you had a cast iron block, I don't have any lights.
Ready?
Yes. It fucking didn't work.
It's still cold.
What the? Is the bottom of it warm?
No.
Are you kidding me?
That's dumb.
That's stupid.
And you can
Well-
feel the heat like coming up.
Yeah,
Not really.
because it's all plastic. You're missing an engine cover too. I guarantee if we did it on that bench over there, that has a freaking aluminum block.
Hey, you gotta get the drinks.
Has an aluminum block. It stays hot. Yeah, because now we have to use the oven. How do you use a freaking oven?
I have no idea.
I'm almost.
Dude, you call like.
I'm almost
911.
20.
You call 991 and ask them.
119.
Is it?
Yeah.
I thought it was 991.
Is it? I'm not a. When I was 11, I turned 13 because I was 12, so I don't know.
Come on, get the fucking drinks.
He's-
Oh, boy.
Look, that's who I'm marrying right there. I'm marrying that right there. That's why I'm marrying her, bro. There's a Sprite on the floor and 2 Javas. Who did that?
Addicted to that shit.
Who? I don't know. Oh shit.
Who's addicted to that shit?
Not me. Not the f***ing us.
Alright, guys. You know what?
What?
Monster should really
Sponsor us
sponsor us.
right now. Monster, Java, listen.
For real.
Listen. We stay with the packs, bro. These are full. That one's empty. Listen, dude. This is all we drink.
There's one in the bedroom.
You don't want to know what happened with that one. They got drunk.
Come on, buddy.
Listen, I don't feel uncomfortable at all talking to a camera with you. Anybody else, I'm shy as about like, yeah, dude, so this is how you change a spark plug.
Because you are shy.
Listen,
Not with me.
with this booch right here.
Oh my God.
There's fucking people in there. They're like, this bitch right here, dude, listen, man. I don't give a finnuck. Because I've known her since I was 12. We dated for a year.
Almost had a baby.
Almost had a baby. I lived for 13 weeks. And it was born on 10/10/15. Not the way that we planned. And then we split up for 9 years. We got back together. And now we're getting fucking married. And she's going to have my kid or else. I'm going to be pissed. Probably throw fucking mean beams at the wall. I threw mean beams at the wall. All right, we out of here. Peace. Say bye.
Bye.